Hey, what's up, guys? So, we are back in CapCut, and I just want to show you what I've done to make some really aggressive shakes. So, you can have a look over here as I talk, the video will play. And really, it's all about just making very aggressive edits. So, all I've done here is added a few keyframes to move the item, to zoom the item in and out. So, you'll see I have 4 keyframes, and they basically start at 100% and then 105, back to 100%, 105. And then I've added a shake effect and a flicker effect. I've also added the animations of going a fade out and a swing right animation. I've done exactly the same for the second clip, but what I've done here is added a glitch effect as a transition and a glitch effect as a transition going out again. Nothing insane, nothing too complicated. All the effects can be found up here. And you can literally just type in flicker, just type in shake, type in glitch, and it'll pop up immediately. And it's all subjective, so you can add more things and get more creative and crazier with your editing. CapCut is all about layering, and it's all drag and drop, so it's super easy. I hope that helps you make those violently aggressive shakes, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.